Hi, my name is Eric Dibble, Regional Sales Manager for HF Scientific. Today, we're going to be doing a video on a reagent pump change and a peristaltic pump change on HF Scientific MCX's Monochloramine Analyzer. We'll start with the reagent pump. To begin, press Mode and then Enter. And this allows the water to stop so you can easily change the pumps without having to worry about any water flowing through. The first step is to remove the bottles to give yourself some more space. After the bottles are removed, we're going to want to go ahead and get all of our tubing off to free up the reagent pump. We'll start by taking off the black I like to loosen it and leave it there since you're going to need to put it back on, and it is tough to get back in there. We'll take the pin off of the reagent pump that we're changing. We will remove the hammer from the old reagent pump. And then pull down to pull the lines off the reagent pump. Once the reagent pump is freed up, use an Allen wrench to unscrew the two screws holding the pump onto the block. Once you have the pump in your hand, the final thing you need to do is unhook the electrical, which is underneath the block. And you have successfully removed your old reagent pump. When you're ready to install your new pump, you want to start the exact opposite way that we finished unhooking the old one. We'll start by plugging in the electricity. The next thing we will do is put the reagent pump into its place and screw it in using our Allen wrench. Once we have the pump in place, we're going to remove the pin and the hammer from the new pump in order to reinstall the reagent lines. Since this is our chlorinating solution pump, we'll take our yellow lines and place it back up where it needs to be. We will take our check valve and push it into place, and then we will reinstall the pump hammer and the pin. Once we have the new pump installed, we want to again secure the lines using the black Velcro. After you've completed putting your new pump in, we want to make sure we flush the reagent lines that you've taken out of the bottles. Once you have flushed the reagent lines, you will need to perform a prime on any bottles that you have taken out. To change the peristaltic pump, start by pressing your fingers on the top and the bottom to pull the pump off. Once you have the peristaltic pump head off, you need to take a small screwdriver to pull off the two connector pieces. Pull these back, and then simply pull the black lines off of the reagent. Once you're ready to replace your peristaltic pump, we'll start by connecting the lines. Make sure you have the two clips on each of the lines before you connect it. To put the clamp down, press on both sides until you hear a couple clicks. When you've finished, connect the pump head back on. Once you have your new pump installed, we need to prime the water pump. To prime the water pump, hit the mode button once. You'll be prompted to go into service mode. Press Enter. Once you see the prime highlighted, hit the Enter button, and once prime water is highlighted, press the Enter button again. Let this run for 30 seconds to a minute to make sure that you have water flowing back to your analyzer, and then you're ready to go back into normal operation. To go to normal operation, click Exit to abort the water prime, and once you get back to the prime screen, you will press Exit again, and one more time to get your analyzer back into a normal operation. If you have the analyzer in grab sample mode, you'll be prompted to pick which option you'd like. If you have the analyzer in continuous operation mode, the analyzer will automatically go back into a 15-minute cycle. That concludes the video on how to change the reagent pump and the peristaltic pump on the HF Scientific MCX. Thank you for watching.